Hello to all of my online car shoppers. Hopefully your car shopping experience has been a good one so far. This is Car Guru Corey Way, right here at Bellamy Strickland, Chevrolet Buick GMC in McDonough, Georgia. And today we're going to highlight an immaculate 2019 2500 HD Silverado high country trim level. So she's loaded. 6.6 turbo diesel with the Allison transmission. This one here has around 23,000 miles. Standard box. Hopefully you like it and she'll put an end to your shopping if you've been looking for one. Driver's side is immaculate. No scratches, no dents, nothing of that nature. Leather is in excellent condition. No smoke smell, no rips or tears. Leather liners throughout the vehicle. Clean floorboard. Gooseneck fifth wheel provisions in the bed. Spare looks great. Passenger, driver's side is immaculate. Excellent condition. 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. High country trim level, 23,000 miles. Thanks for watching.